Hey guys, hey all my students, wherever you might be at this time. Today at this time in Uganda, it's evening. It's around 6 p.m. and the weather is so refreshing. The birds are making beautiful sounds here, and the trees also are making beautiful sounds. The weather is so good, the weather is so cool. So I've been here seated and I'm like, this weather is so cool. I think I should teach my students something. I should teach you something now because I feel so good. When I feel so good, I want also other people to feel good. So today, at this time, I'm going to teach you something very short. Very short. But you know what? Students make a lot of mistakes in what I'm going to teach you. So today I want to teach you about I am, I mean I, and I am. Now I am is the same as am. So when I say I am and another person says am, it is the same because am is just the short or the abbreviation of I am. So many students don't really understand how they can use I and I am. So you find very many students confused, like they can use I mean I am every day, maybe every week, like yesterday in the past. So today I'm here to really tell you how you can differentiate between I and I am. Of course, they all talk about you. When you talk about yourself, use I, isn't it? I. You can't say he. You can't say we. No, it is you. Of course, when you're talking about yourself, you must use I. But then today I want to show you how we use these two. Okay? So this is very simple. I have made it for you very simple, and I'm sure you will understand it better. So when you use every day, if you talk about every day, if you talk about the past, okay, if you talk about the future is coming tomorrow, next week, okay, tomorrow, next week, next year, future is coming. And if you talk about the near past is something which you have finished, but a few minutes back, like 10 minutes or 5 minutes or 20 minutes, and you know that we use have. I have written, I have eaten. You must use have or has. If you talk about he, she, it, or the name of the person, say has. Amina has. Okay. So if you talk about, as I have said, every day means things that you do and you repeat them. It can be every day, every week, every Monday, every Tuesday, every Friday, so things that you do and again do them and again do them. So in simple language you say every day, okay, but ideally it means things that you do and repeat them. So if you talk about these four, please use I. You cannot use I am. If you talk about every day, past, future, and past but a few minutes, you cannot use I am. You just use I. You can see, look at these examples. I cook every day. I will read a story tomorrow. You cannot say I am read a story tomorrow. You cannot say I am cook tomorrow. You can't say like that. This number 3, I typed yesterday. I typed my work yesterday. You cannot say I am typed my work. No. Look at this one. I have understood the lesson. A few minutes back, maybe I teach you. After teaching you say, teacher, I have understood the lesson. It means that it is near past, something that has just happened a few minutes back. So we have understood that when you use every day, past, the future, the near past, you must use I. You must use I. You cannot use I am. Okay, you must use, you cannot use I am. And these are some of the examples that I have given you. You can see all of them we used I, but not I am. Now, what about I am or am? Now, when you use I am, I am or am, these ones, we only use them when you are talking about actions that are happening now, just now. This is the only way when we use I am or am, for actions that are just happening now. We can't use them for actions which happened yesterday. We can't use them for actions which will happen tomorrow. Neither can we use them for actions that happen and happen again and again, and we cannot use them for actions which have just happened. No, we just use I am or am, talk about actions which are just happening right now. Right now. You can look at these examples. I am washing my clothes. So if it is a verb, you add ing if it's a verb. You can look at number 2. I'm talking on phone. What are you doing? I'm talking on phone. Okay, we talk on phone. Look at this other example. I'm busy now. I'm busy now. I'm busy now. So busy is not a verb, so that's why we did not add ing, because it is an adjective. Okay, I'm watching a movie. I am watching a movie. I am watching a movie now. So we have understood that when we use I am or am, we just use for actions which are just happening now, which are there now at the present, at the present. Thank you so much, guys. Once again, Teacher Herbert Mali from Old Kampala Adult School here in Kampala, Uganda. Guys, we are the best adult school in Uganda. That's undebatable. You can't bet about it. We are the best. We are the best. Please come at our school and register with us and learn with us from anywhere. We have students from every country. We have students from every country. Our school has a total population of around 700 students, 700 in one campus, in the main campus. So you can come and register with us. And the beauty that we have is that we don't put more than 15 students in one class. No, we make sure that the highest number of students in our class is 15, because we want students to understand. So come and register with us at Old Kampala Adult School. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Find me on Facebook, Teacher Herbert Mali, and on Instagram, Teacher Herbert Mali. Share my videos, subscribe, like them, and comment. I love you guys.